Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing great. So today we are going to learn about a tool which we can use very frequently in our daily work life. So what we are doing here is we have this data wherein we have data from four different zones of India, and the data could be of any length, any volume. Now what I want to do is I want to split this data based on the zone. So for example, I want four such sheets here, one for south, one for north, east and west. Okay. Now it could also be that sometimes if I want the data to be split to say region wise, so I can simply cut paste this data and put it in column A, and then I will have the sheets such as the different sheets with the names of the different regions. So let's see what I want to do. Suppose for small data here, since we have only four such zones, it is actually pretty easy to do it like this. Copy, come here and paste, and you are done. Okay. So this can be done. However, I will delete this data. But the problem is when there are huge records, huge number of records, suppose, and it is not just about these four zones. We have uh, you know say we have to segregate it basis the number of regions, then it becomes a little tedious. So I'll show you what we can do. Press alt F11, and you will find this code there which I will share this. Okay. Once this code is there, you can just put it in module. So if I share the Excel sheet, what you can simply do is you can copy paste your data here and it will take care of the split part. Okay. So yeah, once that is done, and simply you have to run this. So to make it easier, what I will do for you all is I will create how you can create a macro. Okay. And I will write run macro and then assign this to the macro that exists, which is this. Okay. So you don't have to press 11 and do anything, you simply have to click on this thing. So you click here and you see what happens. The moment you click, see four different sheets have been created and your work is done. This will be very useful. I'll share this Excel sheet with you, and you can copy it and save it and just keep the data here, and simply paste your data here, run this macro and it will split. Okay, I think it was helpful for you. Yeah, bye.